Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Today in this lesson we are learning regarding the relations and function with explanation and with some example. This is the series of algebra. Mm, Let's now review some key concepts are used in these functions and relations. A set is a collection of distinct or well-defined numbers or elements. In mathematics, numbers are of set written in the curly braces or brackets. Now we see some examples which are defined as a set. ABC to XYZ is one set, and set of even numbers is one set, and we can write the set of odd numbers. Suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You can write the set of odd numbers, and here we have the set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. This is defined as a set. Now we go to order pair numbers. What is the order pair numbers? For example, 6, 8 is an order pair number whereby 6 is the first element and 8 is the second element, and respectively 2, 3, 2 is the first element, 3 is second element. These are known as the order pair numbers. Next we see what is a domain. A domain is a set of all inputs or first value of a function. Input values are generally x value of a function. What is a range? A domain is a set of all output or second values, and output values are y values. If you observe one thing, in domain there is a input value and range is a output value, and in domain we see the x value and range is a y value. And we see more examples by doing the simplification, and next we see what are the functions. Here, a function is defined as a rule that relates every element in one set. For example, y equals to x plus 3 and y equals to x square minus 1 are the functions because the value x value products a different y value. So, here this is known as a function. Next, we see what is a relation. A relation is a set of order pair numbers. Already we have known what are the order pair numbers. 6, 3 are the order pair numbers, or 1, 3 or 2, 3 or 4, 3 are the order pair numbers. Next we see the types of functions. Here we have one-to-one functions, many-to-one function, on-to function and bijective function. These are the four types of functions. Next, we see the common functions in algebra. Linear function, inverse function, constant function, identity function, absolute value function. These are the five functions are commonly included in the algebra. And next we see how to determine if a relation is a function or not. Here we need to follow the three steps to determine is a function or not. First, input values, and next output values known as y values. And if all the input values are different, then the relation becomes a function. And if the values are repeated in the first input values or x values, then the relation is not a function. Now we see examples for those. Example number 1. Here we need to identify the range and domain of the relation below. We know that domain equals to input values. So write down as input value they given as -2, 4, 6, -2. So -2 is repeated, so we can write -2, 4, 6 is a domain, and range is output values. So here they gave 3, 5, -5 and 3. Here also 3 is repeated, so we write down as 3, 5, -5. These are the range and domains for the given relation. And next example we see the is the relation is a function or not, and what is the domain for that, and what is the range of that. Here we have the domain and range, and there is a mapping diagrams on the left side. You can see that. Now we write what is the domain and what is the range of the given relation, and we see is the function or not. So let's write down uh, 2 comma 5 comma 0 comma 1, and range is 3 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2, and here domain is 3 comma 2 comma 0 comma 0, and range is -1 comma -1 comma 2 comma 3. So if you observe here, in the first set, input values are not repeated. In the second example, input values are repeated. So if input values are not repeated, then the function is S. If input values is repeated, then function is, it is not a function. These are the some examples. I hope this video will be helpful. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.